Organic, USDA organic certified. Natural, locally grown. Whether you're at the grocery store or your local farmer's market, the variety of labels can make shopping for fruits and vegetables confusing. Two commercial horticulture specialists say many consumers misunderstand what those terms actually mean, and one of the biggest misconceptions is how organic food is grown.
I think that the main misunderstanding about organic and non-organic is that a lot of people think that growing organic food, you don't apply any fertilizer or you don't apply any pesticide, which is not correct.
Instead, organic production follows strict rules about which fertilizers and pesticides can be used. Synthetic products are prohibited, making production and labor intensive and often more challenging for growers. That can even affect what shoppers see on the shelf.
So that's why sometimes in the shelf, when you're buying organic, you see smaller products or smaller fruits or misshaping, and that's because they cannot apply the same products as the non-organic.
One question many shoppers ask is whether organic foods are healthier or more nutritious.
I would say there is no scientific proof that organic and non-organic have nutritional difference or organic and non-organic has difference in flavor. I would say it's more preferential.
So why does organic food often cost more?
So organic produce are regularly more expensive because of cost of production. Organic pesticides or fertilizers that are approved by the USDA for organic use are coming from natural sources. Poultry, manure, or vegetation, they are relatively more expensive than synthetic fertilizers that can be produced in the laboratory. And then normally organic farmers are smaller scales. The larger you get, the more you can reduce the price of production. It's very hard to have very large-scale organic production, so organic farmers tend to be more local and smaller farms.
Most of the time when you are buying that organic, you are supporting local markets. If you are buying non-organic, usually you are buying away from your region.
Another point of confusion is the difference between food that's grown organically and food that's labeled as officially USDA organic certified.
A grower can grow vegetables or any fruit or any special crop in an organic way. They can say organically grown, but it cannot have the word USDA organic certified if that produce has not passed to the inspection of a USDA regulatory agent.
That certification requires growers to transition their farms from conventional to organic over a several-year period and pass annual inspections before they can use the USDA organic label.
Most of our growers that sell in fresh markets, while they sell it as organic, it's probably not USDA organic certified. What the consumers need to do in order to identify if it's USDA organic certified produce is to look for the USDA logo.
But there are even more terms for food production that might be confusing.
People use healthier food, sustainable food, or more natural, and those terms, they don't mean the same. For example, natural, it means food without any additives. It doesn't mean that it's organic itself.
When you go to those farmer markets, I would really recommend have a conversation with the grower.
No matter how your food is grown, one food safety practice never changes.
Regardless if it's organic or not, it is essential to wash fruits and vegetables at home. And basically, washing with tap running water, that's the best practices. So don't add any chemical or any bleach or anything to add. Vinegar and sodium bicarbonate, they don't do anything for cleaning or removing any chemical residues or microorganisms that are in the produce.
Ultimately, organic is more than just a label at the grocery store.
Without the use of synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, you reduce soil and water contamination. You don't have impact on natural pollinators. So the benefits of producing organic for farming itself is you promote farm sustainability.